Yeah, we can see the screen.
Okay, nice. So the question here is, let me just close a couple of things. Can you make it mute? Somebody is having echo. Okay. Okay, so question for 990 is, we're given equation either A equal to B, A not equal to B. So there can be multiple statements like this. We have to find out that our equation is true. So the other example is, so in this case, the first equation is the example 1 is not true. This is false. How about the case where you are saying A equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to A? This is true because you can put everything as 1. Let's say you put the value as 1 for A equal to 1, then we can say B equal to 1, C equal to 1. So if we do this way, then you can figure out that you can use union find. So how does the union find will work for our case? What we do is we make an array with values for, we say A has value 0, B has value 1, C has value 2, D has value 3, so on. If we see, so first loop is first iteration. We do this array assignment. Then second iteration, we check all equal to equations. Example, A equal to B. Then we make a array of position A equal to 1 and array A of position B equal to, sorry, let's say A was 0. So we make it as 0. So this becomes 0, 0, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. So second iteration we do like this. Third iteration, they get an optimal way of doing it. But we are solving the question. Let's see what happens while solving. We check all not equal operations, not operations, that is equations. And if we see, let's say A not equal to B, then we go to array A, position A, and not compare with array position B. If they are equal, then the whole statements are false. So this is how we are going to do the union find. Got how you're doing the union find in this question, 990? Nilu, Ramnik, Venkatesh?
Yep.
Ramnik?
Yes.
Nilu?
I'm still thinking where we are doing union here.
So union is when the equations are equal. So this is unions are union is combining the two equations. So when using A equal to B, we combine all the equal values to get into same value. So let's say V
Okay.
becomes, so there's a statement like this, then there's a statement like C equal to B. In this case, we will go and modify
Okay.
to
Got it.
this also becomes 0.
0. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is
Got
how
it.
you're doing
Thank you.
the union find here. Now let's do the iteration one by one. Write the code. First iteration, we assign the index for the whole. We assign the index for each of the values because this is like an array. We assign, instead of keeping A as this values, we'll put, it becomes easier if we do, instead of, since we're using array, it is easier to use integer index. So let's do that part. So first thing we are doing is C2 IDX equal to map, which is a character to index map, IDX equal to 0 for now. For EQ in equations, so our C of our first value is if EQ of 0 not in C2 IDX, we can say C2 IDX of EQ of 0 equal to IDX plus equal to 1. So in this case, let's say hash A equal to B, hash EQ of 0 equal to A. Similarly, we say 3 okay. Let's print the C2 IDX, and we also assign, make a array. Array is C array equal to I for I in range, IDX, print C array. Let's print it out and see what happens till now. Indentation, oh, indentation is wrong. Expected indentation block. What did I do wrong? Oh, is it single quotes? Multi-line is like this. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Let me do, I don't know what the multi-line indentation is. Let me do it a different way. Oh, what the heck? Okay, this is the problem. So we had A as 0, B as 1, and our array is 0 and 1. Till now it's fine.
Yes.
Now let's do the second part. First iteration is done. Now second is the second iteration. Second iteration is this one, which I call equal equations. So for EQ in equations, if EQ of 0, 1 not equal to skip over the not equal, and our C0 is equal to EQ of 0, C1 equal to EQ of 4. So in the case where are we looking at hash A equal to B, this becomes A, hash becomes B,
I think it's EQ of 3.
oh sorry, 3, yes, this becomes B, and our IDX of IDX0 becomes C2 IDX of C0, becomes C1. So basically this becomes our 0, value was 0. This becomes 1. If C air of IDX1 not equal to C air of IDX of 0, for I in range IDX, let's say we also need to store the value val1 equal to C if C air of I, we change the values equal to val1, we change it, C air of value is, so these are the values here. Val 0. So these are the values which are the current values for those array positions. We check if the values are not same for the IDX1. We go over them and we change all the values which are equal to val1 to val0. So that if there are two joint of two trees, we make it a single tree kind of thing. Got that? No?
Yeah.
We check all not equal. Equations. So for EQ in equations, if EQ of 1 equal to again, we go back to the same part where we are getting the values and checking it out. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's more verbose. We can actually, if val of 0 equal to val of 0 equal to val of 1, return false, otherwise return true. So again, we said if they come, we are looking at the not equal equations. We got the characters A and B. We check the index for them 0 and index 0 and 1. We get the values. If the values are equal, then you say that statement is wrong somewhere, right?
Mhm.
So let's try it out, run code. I hope, yep, this works out correctly. And if we submit the code, yep, this is the code which is there. So this is union find. Actually, it was easy for me to do today. Question union finds are kind of okay if you can figure it out. Questions for you? How I did it? Neelu, Ramnik, Venkatesh?
So Ankur, here we created two array. That's all right. And
One
how
array.
we are driving?
We got one array. So normally in a union find, so union find is normally done by like this way. So you do union find by saying we have array position for each node or variable. Okay.
Yeah.
For equal to operation, equal to or connected, connected nodes or variables, we make the values same. Okay. Plus other thing is we also make all the values same. So let's say we have question like we have something array like 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 2 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3, and we found out that
Index.
this node and these node are connected. Okay, these all
So
we did the two parts. Okay, so then it becomes 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 3 3 3 3. So this is what you are doing in the union operation. Find operation is, this is the insert, this is the find operation, this is the union operation. This is the init operation basically. So this is how you define, do the union find. Find is find the common targets, common variable like connected nodes. Then union, change all the values which are in those sets into a single one. And since the array is easier to do, arrays are very simple to operate upon. Okay.